Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be looking at the construction of the Sangster International Runway. Now the runway is being extended to make it the longest runway in Jamaica, and we're going to take a look at the construction of the new section of the runway. So we are in Montego Bay, and there you can see a plane taking off. We are in Montego Bay, and this is the White House area of Montego Bay. And straight ahead is where they're doing the construction, but we're not going to go there. We're just going to take, the contractor is Lagan, Lagan. It's a foreign company, and it's probably the first in a long while you haven't heard the contractor is China Harbour Engineering Company. Okay, and we're going to take a look at the runway, but on this section of the road too, you have a lot of hotels. Sandals being a very popular one. Okay, so this is the runway extension going on the left. So the existing runway still works, and when finished, the extension there, I think they're adding another 300 feet to the runway. So it's going to be over 3,000 feet long now. Currently, the longest runway in Jamaica is the Norman Manley International Airport, which is 2,800 and something feet. And this one, when finished, will be over 3,000 feet. Actually, they have actually started to asphalt the runway. Let's zoom in, so it should be finished soon. There you can see asphalt being put on the runway. Alright, so we're going to go up and let's turn it like this. Take a look at the existing runway and where they're going to join. Okay, so at this point, if the camera is picking it up correctly, this is where the existing runway ends, and then the other part is a part under construction. So this is the Sangster International Airport on the left in Montego Bay, Jamaica. And on the right is the Sandals Hotel, Sandals White House. Well, I'm not sure if they call this Sandals White House. It's a White House area in Montego Bay, but there's also a White House area in Westmoreland where they have, no, okay, I know now. This is Sandals White House. The one in Westmoreland is Sandals South Coast. this is the existing runway. And there's no way of doing this video without the fence. The airport is a secure facility, so we have to go through the fence. We can't make the video any other way. Sorry about that, guys. Alright, so we're going to turn back around here. But it's good that they're expanding the runway because the airplanes are getting bigger and bigger, and they're going to need more runway space. So it's good that they're expanding it. Now it's probably easier. We said in our video, I'm not sure if we even said it, but it was easier or cheaper to expand this runway, the Sangster International Airport runway, because it has the space. The Norman Manley International Airport in Kingston, one side of the runway is on the Kingston Harbour. So you actually come in when landing over the harbour and then touch down on the runway. So it would be very hard and expensive to extend that runway because you'd have to go out into the harbour. On the other end of the runway at Norman Manley is very narrow, so you wouldn't have a lot of space, and there's a road that runs there, so it would be very expensive to build a tunnel or a bridge. The road would have to go under. So this is the best option for extending the runway in Jamaica. This airport is the best option. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Also leave your comments in the section below. Let us know what you think. Alright guys, have a good day.